So what we have here is a 50 LED solar rope light. This was from Harbor Freight. It was 10 bucks on sale. Thought it was kind of cool. I was looking for something like this for my backyard. Let's go ahead and open it up. See what exactly this comes with. Instruction manual, I'm guessing. Some sort of mount. Looks like the body for the solar cell. You have the solar cell, and you have your rope lights. You have the rest of the pieces to make the body for the solar cell. So this right here is actually if you wanted to mount it to something such as the rain gutter or the side of the roof. For the time being, I'm just going to use zip ties to tie it to the fence. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Just have a general look over. There's the top of the solar cell. You have a switch, and there's no charge in it. So let's go ahead and put this thing together, I guess. Probably doing it the wrong way. So just after a quick consultation of the directions, this mount here is actually just that. It's just a little mount. You have two holes in there. You mount it onto something, and you mount your power cell onto it like that. So you can mount it to the side. I'm not going to do that just because right next to the fence there's some dirt and I can use this one. So really all you do is put it in like that. And then go ahead and grab the top of your solar cell. It's kind of hard to do this one-handed. And there you have it. So let's go ahead, put it up outside. So I have it mounted. So you guys can see. And I have top of it going on the top of the fence, middle of the fence, and finishing up down here. I have it in the charge mode right now. So when it turns on, I'll come out here and show you guys. No, I did those original clips back in July, and it's now at just about the end of November. So that's about 4 months of time, right through the end of summer. And now into the cold part of fall, and everything is held up rather nicely. This set of lights still works fine. I kind of put it on the fence in kind of just a weird way. I wanted to do it from end to end, but obviously you guys can see it's a little too long for that. That's okay. Everything is in decent shape and still holding together just fine. There isn't any signs of damage or cracking or anything from the heat or from the sunlight. And it seems to hold a decent charge on it as well. So this is the end result. Just took them down.